Hello friends, welcome to the new course on Advanced Inorganic Chemistry. I am extremely delighted in presenting to you this lecture series on Advanced Inorganic Chemistry with the hope that this lecture series on Advanced Inorganic Chemistry will be really helpful to you in getting to the questions on Inorganic Chemistry. My name is Himanshu Gupta. I am currently a third year undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur. I have prepared for IIT-JEE, JEE Advanced to be accurate in Kota, Rajasthan. Here are few links about my social media. You can go through them if you require it. Friends, whatever we do in life, there has to be an element of motivation that would make you do it. Similarly, I had a motivation behind creating this lecture series. My motivation is very straightforward. I had enjoyed learning inorganic chemistry during my IIT-JEE preparations. The major reason being that I was fortunate enough to be taught by a teacher who made me learn inorganic chemistry really fun. He made me learn the concepts rather than memorizing things, and that really inclined me towards learning inorganic chemistry with great enthusiasm. I was therefore motivated towards helping out those students who are looking for the complete content of inorganic chemistry with respect to the exams like IIT-JEE and AIIMS, and that too with a decent quality. The students preparing for exams like JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, AIIMS, NEET, BITSET and other prestigious engineering and medical examinations in the country can go through this lecture series. However, there is a caution. Firstly, this lecture series is not for the preparations of the board exams conducted by the CBSE, ICSE or any state boards, because the syllabus of the board exams are very concise and it would not be a smart study, you can say, to study this bigger syllabus in order to prepare for the board examinations. Secondly, see, the syllabus of various exams that I mentioned are different, and it would not be feasible to deal with such a diversity in a single course. Therefore, what I would recommend is to keep the latest syllabus of what exam you are preparing in front of you while going through this lecture series, and skip the topics that are not there in the list and pay more attention to those topics that are mentioned in the syllabus. So how to study this course? This would really vary from student to student. The ones who are fortunate enough to go to premier coaching institutes and study from experienced teachers need not to go through each and every lecture sequentially. Rather, they can go through certain topics or concepts that they have missed in the class due to some reason or the other. The ones who are not going to a regular classroom program and the ones who are not satisfied with the contents that they are receiving, both in terms of completeness and quality, should go through this course sequentially from end to end and make notes out of each lecture, just as we do in the regular classroom program. Friends, as far as the language of the lecture series is concerned, it will be more in Hindi and less in English. Typically 70 to 80% Hindi and 20 to 30% English. This is the ratio I will try to maintain. Finally, I would like to end up with a thank you note to you all, and with that I would request you that if you find this course helpful, if you find this course up to the mark both in terms of content and quality, then please let your friends know about this lecture series so that they too can be benefited from it and my purpose would be fulfilled. Thank you, have a great time, good luck.